Eat McDonald's French fry. Huh, buddy? Good boy. You turn that French fry up, ain't you? You good, ain't it? First time I ever seen the squirrel eating McDonald's French fry. Want another one? Want another one? Here's one. See the French fry? Good boy. You turn that French fry up, ain't you? You ever seen the squirrel eat a French fry before? I got me a little buddy here. You keep eating up my French fries, I ain't gonna have no lunch. You want another one? Here. There you go. You eating a McDonald's French fry. Turn that French fry up. Must be good. Have to let McDonald's know that the squirrels like their French fries too. Like that French fry, huh? Like I made me a buddy.